we go. More ride-alongs in day 2. I mean, all these cars out here is crazy. This is some good footage. Yeah. Austin, here we are, guys. Indy's Garage, Who's Your Performance, Indiana Core Marketing. We do this for you guys. We love to get right along. I'm gonna make them drive because I don't even know how to do it. So, we'll see. All right, we'll see it out there then. Man, got the TA out here too. Yes, sir, the man in the truck. Man, all these cars out here are beautiful. I like being at the starting line. I should be over here more often.
Unreal. Oh my God. Holy crap. What do you think about that?
What do you think about that? Oh my God.
That's crazy. Dude, that's so nice.
Alternator swap. Oh yeah, the 300 out there. It's gotta be the alternator.
It's gotta be the alternator.
Alternator.
It's probably the alternator. Alternator.
Once we get this swap done, Barry will be back out there, I guarantee you.
All right, welcome to Ship Sector. Saturday, the biggest day that we have for 2020-24. 260 cars. A world record was just smashed. 260.7 miles an hour by our boy Mark Rue with Underground Racing. Good props to him. But we'll be doing ride-alongs all day. We got my whole crew here. We got Slava. We got Scott, which is one of my original guys. 5 years we've been coming here and doing this. 5. This guy used to have this fastest evil M6 and then he gave up because it's too fucking expensive every time it breaks. So stick around. Yeah. We'll do some ride-alongs. Maybe Austin will stay up till 4 a.m. and knock on my door again with my man bag for no reason. I have no clue.
Hey,
so. We'll see what we got going on.
I'd say this is a good turnout right here. Tent is popping. Got Barry in the vet going back out. Alternator is now swapped. I was like, fuck. Planes taking off out here too. Doing a little parade lap here. We got Mr. Corn-Fed, bunch of beautiful Lambos. As you can hear, we got the 502 car with Joe. Oh, beautiful Lambos. We got Jason in a taxi.
Loud noises!
Let's go. Man, we got a little rally going.
Oh yeah.
Let's do this.
We got this vet about to go too.
There he goes.
Taking the truck down the strip. This is crazy.
Mark's not driving?
Yeah, right? Huh? Chuck Newton from Newton Oil is taking the Beamer out for a run. So let's see how he does. If he doesn't do at least 125, I'm going to be ashamed.
We'll see.
Hey! 118.
I missed 125.
Okay. Come on. Tomorrow.
Couple of BMWs. Are you from Texas, brother? Are you from Texas, brother? Why do you pull this look off so well, brother?
Be back at the pasture.
Come on, Barry.
Come on, Barry.
What is it, Mark? What is it? Come on.
It's not right. It didn't clock right on the screen.
No.
Two-wheel drive.
Come on, Barry. Let's go, Barry. Alright, so here's the final winners of day 2. A couple of Audis, the yellow Z06 with the Tesla, ACR Viper, that we saw from day 1, the super big wing, the red G8, got a gray Z06, black Z06,